within the next week or two, you'll likely be asked some very important questions about your family's health insurance and more as part of open enrollment. So joining us this morning with some advice, we have Simply Money's Amy Wagner. Comes on the heels of a very important time a lot of us are dealing with right now. It can be confusing.
There is a lot to think about. And
yeah.
we think about it's not only your health insurance, but often your dental, your vision,
yep.
life insurance, like all of those things wrapped up into one. And so many people make kind of the same critical mistakes year after year. So today we want to just talk about the things that you have to make sure you're doing so you're getting the best coverage possible.
So what's the biggest mistake that people tend to make?
I think the biggest thing is missing the deadline.
Yep.
Right? You put those papers aside, you've got 1,000 other things to do, and then all of a sudden the deadline has passed. What usually happens in that case then is that you're re-enrolled in the similar plan to what you had last year. Well, that might be a good thing, but it also could be a bad thing. You never know what changes have happened in your life. You never know if there's other options that are better suited for your family. So to proactively look through what you had last year, what you used, what you spent out of pocket, and what your options are, there could be far better options out there that could be saving you money, and you're kind of defaulting to what you've always been doing. And it's so easy to do that. I think so many people do.
Yeah, absolutely. What are some other mistakes that people tend to make here?
Well, over or under insuring themselves, and it's hard to figure out exactly what. So maybe if you are young single or a young couple, everyone's happy or everyone's super healthy, well then you can maybe do a high deductible plan. So you're going to pay less in the premiums. That's an option for you. But think about it. If you have kids, if someone has a chronic illness, I was talking to someone recently who everyone in their family has asthma. A high deductible plan wouldn't work for them because even though the premiums are lower, they're just getting killed with those out-of-pocket costs. So you have to take a real tough look at what actually is going on in your family. Now, if you do one of those high deductible plans, look at doing a health savings account too. Those are triple tax advantage. Yeah. There's nothing like this. We always say it's a gift from the government. The government doesn't give gifts like this, so take advantage of it because you know you're going to have health care costs both now and in the future. So look at that. Also, if you're a married couple and both of you work, look at all of your options there. Sometimes you just kind of default to putting everyone on the same plan. It could be cheaper in some cases to have the husband on one plan, on his works plan, and the wife on her works plan. So you kind of have to look at all those different options there.